Upgrading your entry door is one of the most impactful improvements you can make to your home in Kendall. A new entry door enhances curb appeal, improves security, and boosts energy efficiency, especially important in South Florida's warm, humid climate. If you're planning an entry door replacement, understanding the installation process can help you feel confident and prepared from start to finish. Here's a step-by-step look at what Kendall homeowners can expect during a professional entry door installation. Initial consultation and door selection. The process begins with an in-home consultation. A professional installer will assess your current door and entryway, take precise measurements, and discuss your needs, preferences, and budget. This is your opportunity to explore various door styles, materials, and finishes. Popular entry door materials in Kendall include fiberglass, resistant to moisture, warping, and salt air steel, highly secure and durable impact-rated doors, designed for hurricane protection and code compliance. During this stage, you can also choose decorative glass inserts, side lights, hardware finishes, and energy-efficient features that complement your home's architectural style. Preparing your home for installation. Once your new entry door is selected and scheduled for installation, a few simple preparations will help ensure a smooth process. Clear the area around the entryway inside and outside. Remove rugs, decorations, and nearby furniture. Secure pets and keep children away from the work area. Professional installers typically use drop cloths and protective materials to safeguard your flooring and surrounding surfaces during the installation. Removing the existing door. On installation day, the team will begin by carefully removing your existing door and, if necessary, the surrounding frame. This step involves detaching hinges, removing trim, and inspecting the opening for any damage or structural issues. In Kendall's humid climate, installers often check for moisture damage or wood rot, signs of corrosion, gaps, or insulation deficiencies. If minor repairs are required, they will be addressed before proceeding to ensure the new door fits securely and performs properly. Preparing the opening and ensuring a proper fit. After the old door is removed, the installation team prepares the opening by leveling and squaring the frame. Proper preparation is essential for ensuring smooth operation, effective sealing, and long-term durability. This stage includes installing insulation around the door frame, applying weather-resistant barriers and sealants, aligning the threshold for a watertight seal. A properly prepared opening helps prevent air leaks, water intrusion, and energy loss, key considerations for Kendall homes exposed to heat, humidity, and seasonal storms. Installing the new entry door. With the opening prepared, the new entry door is carefully positioned and secured. Installers anchor the frame to the structure, ensuring stability and proper alignment. The door is then tested for smooth operation and precise closing. Additional steps include installing hardware, locks, and handles, sealing the perimeter with high-quality caulking, ensuring airtight and weather-resistant protection for impact-rated entry doors. Installers also verify compliance with local building codes and hurricane protection standards. Finishing touches and final inspection. Once the door is installed, the team completes the finishing details. Interior and exterior trim are installed or reattached, and final adjustments are made to ensure proper fit and function. Before leaving, professional installers will test the door's operation and locking mechanisms, confirm proper sealing and insulation, clean the work area and remove debris, provide care and maintenance instructions, review warranty information. These final steps ensure your new entry door is fully functional and ready for everyday use. How long does entry door installation take? In most cases, entry door installation in Kendall can be completed within a few hours. More complex projects, such as custom-sized doors, structural modifications, or additional features like side lights, may require additional time. Your installer will provide a clear timeline during the consultation. Enjoy the benefits of your new entry door. Once installation is complete, you'll immediately notice the difference. A professionally installed entry door enhances your home's appearance, improves insulation, and provides greater security. You may also experience reduced drafts, improved energy efficiency, and increased property value. For Kendall homeowners, Upgrading to a new entry door is a smart investment that delivers both immediate comfort and long-term value. A smooth upgrade for Kendall homeowners. Understanding what to expect during entry door installation helps make the process stress-free and rewarding. With expert guidance, careful preparation, and professional craftsmanship, your new entry door will provide lasting beauty, protection, and performance. Whether you're enhancing curb appeal, improving energy efficiency, or preparing your home for hurricane season, a professionally installed entry door ensures your Kendall home remains secure, stylish, and welcoming for years to come.